said, are you having a midlife crisis? And
A what?
a midlife crisis. Like when you turn 50,
Yeah.
you feel old, and so you want to do something to feel young again.
Is that why you're doing it?
I don't know. But he said he wants to buy a motorcycle, and it's gray. It's not really a motorcycle. It's more like a scooter,
Yeah.
but it does go fast like a motorcycle. What do you think? Do you think you should get one?
Does it get an extra seat on it?
Yes, I could ride with him if I wanted to, but I don't think I would.
I still don't think he needs to get any the way that people are today.
Well, he says that he won't ride it on the highway.
Doesn't make any difference.
It doesn't make any difference?
No, he shouldn't get that
I don't
kind
think
of
we
a
have brown
truck.
sugar.
He needs
Do you like
to,
regular sugar?
He shouldn't get a motorcycle?
no. He got long legs.
Because he's got long legs?
Yeah.
Well, no.
Well, you know, he went and looked at it yesterday, and the guy that is selling it, it's actually his wife's motorcycle. And it's they're selling it because they're going to get a new one.
Yeah.
And the guy showed him how to ride it and gave him pointers on how to turn right and how to turn left, and he said it was really helpful, actually. What do you think?
Almost done.
And you're gonna have to pay for it.
What?
How much is it gonna cost you?
It's going to cost him $2,900.
Not bad if it's a good one, but I still don't think you should get it. I wouldn't.
You wouldn't do it?
Not the way the country is today.
What do you mean?
The terrorists and people, they shoot people that if you listen to the news.
Well, what does that have to do with having a motorcycle?
He might get shot for no reason.
He might get shot on his motorcycle?
Sure.
All right. Well, tell him, David, don't get it. I'm going to send him a video.
Yeah.
Okay.